All right, y'all. So today I got my smoke machine right here. I wanted to show y'all. So for y'all that don't know what a smoke machine is, I don't know if you ever got a check engine light and you go to get it checked and they say, oh yeah, you got an evap leak. Well, this is the machine that tells you where that leak is at. All right. So this is a Redline Smoke Pro portable leak detector. Believe it or not, y'all, this machine is very expensive. It's one of the better ones because it's not just a evap tester. You can actually supply pressure from this too. It has a built-in compressor, so you can check, like, you could go beyond just doing an average evap test. You can actually apply pressure to something like a supercharger or a turbocharger or whatever the case may be, and you can actually check it for things that require higher pressure. But yeah, this thing is I think this retail, this thing is like $1,800, yo. I got it off my man though at work a while back for a really crazy deal. I can't even tell y'all what I paid for it, but way cheaper than what is worth. So it was a good deal, so I couldn't pass it up. So yeah, basically, what you use these for is just if you got an evap leak, you hook it up to your car, and it'll put pressure inside of that system, and wherever it leaks from, basically it finds your leak. So it's really not hard to use. I can actually, I got my battery jump box here, so I can hook this up for y'all, just to show y'all how quick or how easy it is to use. Yeah, I always wanted one of these, so it was like, man, when he showed me this joint, I'm like, hell yeah, I take that. Simply because you can use this thing for so many different applications, not just for evap leaks, but you can actually use this for like intake leaks, any type of leak where you can just apply the smoke, and the smoke will find where that leak is at. So so you want to hook this up to a positive and negative. So your battery, I'm using one hand, y'all, so alright. So we got it hooked up. Now again, this machine can supply pressure or just smoke. So in this case, I'm just going to show you how to use the smoke part. So you just hit this vapor button here. And see, the good thing about this one is it doesn't need air. So if y'all notice, I'm not hooked up to an air compressor, which is over there. Most evap systems or machines need an air compressor. So the smoke will come out of here. You open this up a little bit. See that? So like if you was, trying to diagnose an evap leak, you just turn this on, or any type of machine I got, then the vape will come out just like this, and you put it inside that system, and it'll help you find where your leak is at. And you can control your flow just like that. Get more smoke. So then once if you don't have a leak, then your system will fill up with this pressure, right? So if let's just say this is plugged in to your system, and you had it plugged in like this, and it was closed off, and you had no leaks, then this ball right here will go to the bottom, letting you know that that you have no leaks. If it goes up, that means you got a 40,000 leak. Goes down, it's 30,000 leaks. Go down, keep going down to it's closed off. So I'm gonna close this off, simulating that there's not a leak, and you'll see that ball's gonna drop. See it drop all the way down. That means you don't have a leak in your system. If it has any type of leak, the ball will go up, letting you know that, hey, the vape is escaping. So that's exactly how evap works, just like that. I didn't want to waste too much that oil. I gotta put some more in there anyway. But yeah, man, this thing works so many different ways. It's useful in so many different applications, man. So I'm not telling y'all that, oh, yo, I gotta go buy an Evap machine. No, because these things are expensive. I mean, even the most inexpensive Evap machine is expensive. I mean, they got some that's like 200 bucks and they work. You can even make your own, like out of nothing, like out of just a pan, out of a can, and just whatever, a sock, mineral oil, baby oil, a fucking soldering gun, or some type of whatever. And that's how easy it is to make one of these things. But you know, I can't pull up to a job and do a job with a sock in a can. I mean I could, but this looks more professional, and I got it at a crazy deal. If y'all just stand by, I'll let you know what I paid for it. But this thing right here, I just noticed I had it sitting here. Like if you was trying to see if you had a leak somewhere in your intake, you'll stuff this into the intake, you know, so you can close it off. And then with this tube here, you would just slide this right in there, and that's how you would hook that up. And then you'll be able to you know, you put it in just like that. It's a nice seal and everything. You know, they built this with quality, so it's a good seal, and you can fill up whatever you're trying to fill up, and then, you know, check your find your leak. So yeah, oh, fuck, I just got like a brain fart and shit. So so yeah, man, if now, depending on like if you had this check engine light and you went somewhere and they tell you know you got a large leak, a small leak, it could be a gas cap or it could be a gas tank. I mean, sometimes dealing with these Evap issues, your bill could be pretty pricey. So that's why I always wanted my own machine, because I'm not taking, being I'm a mechanic, I don't want to have to take my car to somebody that had to diagnose an Evap leak on one of my cars and shit, and you know, and because I'll be forced to have to take it to them because I don't have a machine. So that's the reason why I got a machine, because I ain't trying to get charged out the ass, or you know, ran around the block with trying to figure out an Evap leak on one of my cars. So I mean, it's a good thing to have, but I pretty much got it because I'm a mechanic. So I can use it for my cars or my, you know, personal customer cars and shit like that. So, but yeah, y'all, this is one of those tools that I got. I wanted to share with y'all. You know what I mean? Yes. So I paid my man 200 bucks for this machine. So that's a crazy deal. You know what? Let me just show y'all real quick, because I was actually looking at how much this shit costs, right? Let me show y'all real quick. Here it is right here. This is the same machine. Y'all see it, right? And this joint is $1,800. Yeah, so this machine ain't no joke though. I mean, this machine right here will be able to test any Evap or any small application that requires pressure. It will be able to do that like with no problem. So this machine is well worth the price. But I've been looking at Evap machines for the past, I don't know, 6 years, and I never bought one because it's too expensive. I wasn't trying to spend the money on it. So my man offered this when he made this offer, like, you know what, damn right, I take that joint off your hands. So it's all about to come up, man, and you know, I'm gonna put it to use, and it's gonna get used. So yeah, y'all, like, comment, let me know if you got one of these. Let me know if you need one. If you need help, I'll come through. But yeah, y'all, just one of my little tool reviews that I wanted y'all to check out. So catch you on the next one. All right, guys, a little bit of bonus footage. I forgot to mention that when you get an Evap machine, you're going to need something like this, like a little assortment of cups to help you seal off certain hoses or spaces, whatever you got to do to find your Evap leak. You're going to need something like this. They got bigger ones. They get smaller, smaller. And they got little tiny ones where you can like plug up hoses and stuff like that. So you can get this off of Amazon for like, I think it was like 20 bucks or something like that. All you got to do is type in Evap systems or whatever, and then this will pop up in a list of items that you can buy. So you might want to invest in something like that. It'll go perfect with any Evap machine. So yeah, there you go. Make sure you grab some of these.